This is Lab 7-5, Comprehensive Case, Dillard Store Data, Creating KPIs in Excel Part 3. The first thing I want to do is I want to see how to line up sales period to be in parallel periods by day of week and one period with day of week with another previous period. So in this lab, I want to go ahead and go to Excel. Okay. Go to Excel. Perfect. And then I want to go to Power Pivot. 1 second. I want to go to Power Pivot, which is right here. I have to go ahead and add it in. Manage. Next thing I want to do is go to Get External Data, go from Database, from SQL Server, and I'm going to put in my server name, and I'll be right back. So right here, I have my connection name, my server name, the Walton U arc, and I have my database name. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Next. I'm going to click Write a Query that will specify the data, import. And then I'm going to go ahead and type in my SQL Server name because I want to go ahead and bring in 2 attributes. So I'm going to be right back after I input all that. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I have my SQL Server statement. I'm going to press Validate. I'm going to press Finish. So right now the data is loading, and I'm going to close the table import wizard. Close here. And here I am. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and load some data in the Power Pivot. So first I'm going to do is select my trans date column. And next thing I want to go to date. Date table. 1 second. So I'm going to go to Design tab, and here I see my date table. Press New. And I have created a data table. Now I'm going to transfer the data date table, and now I'm going to transform data into Excel. So next thing I want to go ahead and do is I want to return to the Home tab, which is here. On the Power Pivot ribbon, and select Pivot Table. Pivot Table. A1, perfect. So the data load there. So right here, I can see my calendar and my query. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and what I want to do is drop my sum of sales into here. So it's sales, my month, day, week, auto detect, okay, day, week, and I want to do so I need to go ahead and add year to columns, and it should look like this. Yeah. And the next thing I want to do is this is the relation between my tables that have been created. So this is why I auto-detected it. And then the next thing I'm going to do is analyze and refine the results. So I want to go to File. I want to go to Design. 1 second. So what I'm going to do now is go to Power Pivot, Manage. And then I want to go to Design. And So in the calendar view, my table properties is blurred out. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to query, the query view. And I want to click table properties here. I want to add in a line so I can validate this query. So I'm gonna do space, do where tran underscore type equals space P. And I'm gonna put validate. This is validated. I'm gonna save that. So my data will automatically be refreshed in the Power Pivot tool. And so now I'm gonna close that. Close it out. And as I can see here, the data is refreshed and the pivot table is better and I can make easier decisions and it's easier to read at a first glance. So this is really good for data visualization and makes the data easier to interpret. This is the end of lab 7-5, the Dillard's case. Thank you for watching.